Veteran politician and former cabinet minister Bobby Pickersgill hospitalized in the intensive care unit at the University Hospital after testing positive for the COVID-19. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details of this to come on the program. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities. Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. On a bit of sad note to bring to you as it relates to the health and well-being of former cabinet minister Robert Bobby Pickersgill, the veteran politician, as he was admitted at an intensive care unit at the University Hospital just this week. No details surrounding his current health condition is unknown. However, we're about to provide you with the latest details that we have to bring to you right now on the program. So the former cabinet minister Robert Bobby Pickersgill is now in an intensive care unit at the University Hospital of the West Indies. Pickersgill, who served as Minister of Water, Land, Environment and Climate Change in the People's National Party administration up to 2016, was admitted in hospital on Thursday of this week. He was also the St. Catherine Northwestern Member of Parliament from 1989 to 2020. The veteran politician earned the title the 7-star general before bowing out of politics, opening the door for former PNP councillor Hugh Graham, who succeeded him in the September 3rd general election. In a recent interview, the politician told a media host that he was only remaining as a senior political figure within the party. The veteran politician sat at the feet of every leader of the People's National Party, from Norman Manley to Son Michael to PJ Pattison, Portia Simpson Miller, and Dr. Peter Phillips. Pickersgill also served as the People's National Party chairman for 25 years, only competing once for the position when he trashed Dr. Peter Phillips for the role. The veteran politician entered into politics while on the Taylor Hall at the University of the West Indies Mona campus, when he moved on to joining the PNP youth organization, the PNPYO, before he became chairman of the People's National Party's St. Catherine Northwestern constituency. So we here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity to wish for the speedy recovery of the veteran politician Robert Bobby Pickersgill, who is now admitted in the intensive care unit at the University Hospital. I know that this is a difficult time now for the family and friends and also party officials as they go through this time right now, but we're just hoping for the best and that he makes a full recovery. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we're out for this one. We'll have more details to come on this in a later report.